Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Yet another truck door installation in stock. We got them in stock, so drop on by your truck, drop it off in the AM, pick it up in the early afternoon, and you get a new truck door. Same day installations. Just finishing up here, we already got the lock on. We're doing a top seal. You can see up there that little aluminum slash galvanized looking thing up there is the top seal. We're just installing that right now with our famous miracle screws. I'll show you our miracle screws if they're still up here on the ladder. Here we go. These are our famous little miracle screws. We use these for everything. Got a nice little washer head on them. The only flaw with these is if you over crank them, you'll just snap them, but these work really good.
Yeah, I guess.
We had to beat the snot out of this over here. This truck has been, you can see, has been backed in to the loading docks a little bit on the rough side a few times, and we had to beat it up a little bit because the door was not closing. Got a fleetcraft in here, works like a charm. Nice new bottom rubber. Nice new lock, keeper, handle, pull strap. We basically, we reuse the track and the springs, and you get everything else is new. And there it is. Upsy daisy, all beautiful. Just putting a little finishing touch. I'm gonna get in here real quick. Excuse-moi. Today was nice. It was pouring rain out. We're able to, this guy's got an empty truck, which is nice. We were able to do the whole job in here. Whose jacket is this?
Tom!
There. Have a pair of shades. Have a jacket. Don't cost nothing. There's that top seal up there. You got them tops tightened down, those 9s or whatever. Just make sure those are cranked down. The only flaw with this guy here that brought this truck is he used, as you can see here, just don't ever do this to your truck door. This is disgusting. And it doesn't make your door roll any better. This is just, look at that. This doesn't do anything except make your door run like crap. A lot of people do this too on their residential garage doors. Don't do that either. Just terrible. Here's our umbrella for today. Got that? Let me see if this is really like caked on the inside here too. Oh yeah. Look at this. This is just horrid. Oh my word. Yeah, this is just bad. So when this guy comes to pick this up, he's got some more work to do. We're going to tell him to get all that gook out of there. We left him a little note here. Little smiley face too, that was nice. Our little friendly reminder, our friendly neighborhood reminder. Got the stop bolts in the back. These are going in pretty smooth for us now. We got our little light. Kerplunk. I'm gonna use a lot of this stuff. These are through bolts. Get this ladder over here. This one's kind of high up. Trailer, truck door, drop-ins. This thing rolls like a dream. It's hard to do here with the video. Wham, whammo. There we go. Now you can put your padlock right here, lock it up nice and tight. New handle. Kind of a snuggier fit because of this cord, but once that's out of there, it'll snug up real nice. Excuse-moi. There it is. 90 by 90 truck door, top seal, everything new minus track and spring, or as some folks call it, the operator. Don't ask me why, it's ridiculous. Innovative Door, 632-719-343. Come visit us over here at the shop, 650 Ogden Avenue, Downers Grove. Drop your truck off in the AM, pick it up in the early afternoon. Wham bam. That's how we do it. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, dropping comments. Drop a like. Thank you for all the subscribers. Without you, it don't happen. Does anyone know the name of this guy's business or no? Nothing on there, so I can't help this guy out, but I'd like to, but we'll thank him.
Art Canvas.
Art Canvas, thank you for your business. Bless you. And thank you for this job. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our truck door video.